If you've ever wondered why we send you links to pay online, or how you can see your service history, estimates, and appointments all in one place, you're in the right spot. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what the Eco Customer Portal is, how it works, and how it gives you simple, self-service access to everything related to your account, 24/7.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Elliot with the Eco Plumbers, electricians, and HVAC technicians. A lot of customers ask us, how can I see what I owe? Can I pay online? Or where's my service history? That's exactly what the customer portal is for. It's a secure online area where you can see your past work, upcoming appointments, estimates, or invoices, and even make payments, all without having to call our office. And best of all, it's available anytime you want. First things first, getting to the portal is easy. You can either click the link in the description, or you can find it included in every emailed invoice that we send. To use the portal, sign in with the email address we have on file for you. If you haven't signed up yet, just click Request an Invitation, enter your email, and you'll get a confirmation to set your password. Be sure it's the same email you use when we talk to you about appointments or invoices. One of the most popular things customers use the portal for is paying invoices online. Once logged in, go to the Invoices section. You'll see any unpaid invoices right at the top. You can click to view details and pay securely with your card or bank information right from the browser. You don't have to dig through old emails to find payment links anymore. Next up, the Jobs or History tab. Here you can see everything we've done at your home, what services we've performed, when they happened, and even invoice summaries. This makes it really easy to track your history without searching through old paper or email records. If we send you an estimate, you can review and accept it right in the portal. Just head to the Proposals tab, view what's been quoted, then e-sign or accept it right there online. It simplifies approvals, speeds up scheduling your work. Under Jobs or Appointments, you can see upcoming appointments and job details. If you're not sure when your visit is scheduled or what time to expect us, that's the place to check. And if you see unscheduled visits tied to a service agreement or membership, you can click to call and schedule directly from there. If you have a service agreement or membership with us, like our unmatched EcoFi Advantage membership, you can review that right in the Service Agreements or Memberships tab. You'll see upcoming visits, what services are included, and even update payment info if something has changed. If you want to review equipment info, like your water heater or HVAC unit, that's available too. You can view manufacturer model, install date, warranty info, and service history all in one place under Equipment. So that's how the Eco Customer Portal works. Next time you want to pay a bill, check your history, accept an estimate, or look up an appointment, just log into the portal. If you haven't registered yet, we make it easy to request an invitation and set up your login. And here's a tip. Once you're in, bookmark the page or save it to your home screen so you can get back fast. Thanks for watching. The Customer Portal is there to save you time and give you control. No waiting on hold, no digging through emails. Everything you need is right there online. If you have questions or need help logging in, give us a call. We're happy to walk you through it.